Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2070 code? This code means the intake manifold tuning valve on bank 1 is stuck in the open position. If this issue is ignored, it can affect engine airflow, reduce performance, and lower fuel efficiency. P2070 stands for Intake Manifold Tuning Valve Stuck Open, Bank 1. In simple terms, the ECU detects that the intake manifold runner control valve is not closing properly to regulate airflow inside the engine. This problem is common in vehicles with variable intake manifold systems. Common symptoms include check engine light on, rough acceleration, reduced engine power, poor fuel economy, and engine hesitation at low RPM. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The intake manifold tuning valve is located on the intake manifold mounted on top of the engine cylinder head. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine where cylinder 1 is located. The tuning valve is connected to an actuator and linkage system that controls airflow inside the intake runners. The actuator motor and position sensor are fixed directly on the intake manifold assembly. The wiring harness connects the actuator and sensor to the ECU in the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data and checking intake manifold runner position. Then inspect the tuning valve and actuator linkage for carbon buildup or mechanical sticking. Check the actuator motor operation and electrical connector for damage or loose wiring. Clean carbon deposits inside the intake manifold if necessary. If the valve is stuck open due to actuator failure, replacement of the actuator or manifold assembly may be required. Finally, repair any wiring issues, clean or replace the faulty tuning valve actuator, clear the code, and perform a proper road test. Fixing P2070 will restore proper airflow control, engine performance, and fuel efficiency.